show you my new UniWigs topper. And as you can see, it's a bit different from the first one that I got from them, in that this one looks a bit more natural. And that's because the base is a silk base. And what this means is that it allows for each individual hair to be knotted in such a way that it's actually hidden and doesn't show through as much. In addition to that, you can see that the silk base is a color that mimics the color of scalp. So overall, the parting and everything about it looks a lot more natural. Now this baby in particular is the Bella Virgin Remy Human Hair Silk Topper in the color Off Black at a length of 16 inches and a density of 130%. I tried this on once before filming this video just to kind of see how it fit, and I ended up cutting a few layers, I'm not sure if you can see, right in the front, and I curled these few pieces just because I felt like it looked a bit more natural once I did that. And that's something I wanted to mention to you guys. If you try a topper, hair extensions, wigs, whatever hair enhancement system you choose, you can always cut it, add some bangs, add some layers, change the color, highlights, so that you can feel more comfortable in it. Play around with it so that you ultimately feel comfortable in whatever hairpiece you're wearing.